Okay, we now move on to IELTS speaking part 2, and your topic is describe a special hotel you stayed in. Stayed in is past simple tense, so that means you will speak in past tense. Where it was actually, not is, right?
Okay.
But you can even speak about it in present because hotel is still there, so you can
Yes.
speak about it in present. What it is like. Now, so the first 2 points can be covered in present. Where it is and what it is like means the building and story and 3 star, 5 star, all that. Why you went there, past tense, and how you felt about it. So 2 points are in present and 2 points are in the past tense, right?
Okay.
You will now have to speak on this topic for 1 to 2 minutes.
Okay. One year before, my parents and I went to the northern areas due to the summer holidays. I planned to go there because it is very hot in hot weather in Punjab. Um, and it is a summer and it was a summer vacation, so that we decided to go the northern areas for break. However, it was a last minute's plan, and I didn't have any hotel reservations. We decided when we will reach there, we get a room. We get a room. When we reach there, we all the small hotels and cottages are already full and packed. We found very difficulty very difficulty about the hotel reservations. Then I had only one option to go the 5-star hotel, so we were decided to book the reservation in hotel. Hotel we before I stayed there, it's my personal experience. It is very good to stay here because all the comfortable levels you get there.
Okay, thank you. You spoke for 2 minutes almost. Overall, it's fine that you went on. I found some grammatical mistakes. Like in the beginning, you said it is very hot here. When you went there, then you said it is very. It should have been it was very hot here in Lahore. Therefore, we decided to go to the north of my country because that is rather cold even in summer.
Yes.
Then you said we decided we will reach. When you use past tense, with past tense we don't use will. With past tense we use would.
Okay.
Right? We decided that we would get a room in a hotel upon reaching there. We decided we would. Right? So with past tense we don't use will, we use would. Then you said you mispronounced the word hotel. You said hotel.
Okay.
Hotel is wrong. Hotel.
Okay.
And then there were certain issues with your fluency. And then you said we were decided. Wrong. We decided.
Okay.
Right? You don't need to say we were decided. And then you said to
Simple.
stayed. To stay actually. Right? Now we move on to speaking part 3. Do the ratings of people influence their choice?
I think most of the people influence their own choice. They mostly prefer room prices and availability of other facilities like net, TV, AC, these type of things.
How do people reserve rooms?
They mostly reserve room by online, like online websites, and other people like reserve the rooms by phone on mobile.
Okay, on phone, right. What influence people's choice of hotels? What influences people's choice of hotels?
Mostly people influence to choice the hotel the
Location,
locations and
facilities,
room,
building,
facilities,
yeah.
and mostly they will prefer a service, how kind of service they pay.
Okay. All right, that's fine. So you should focus more on part 3 so that you could proceed your answer further. And in part 2, you've got grammatical mistakes. You have the potential, by the way. At present, I'll give you 5.5, but you can achieve 6 very easily with a little extra effort. And if you're looking for more, then focus your grammar, fluency, and pronunciation. Right? Thank you.